What's up, guys? This is Jack. We're going to take a look at the Autumn-Winter 2018 Spezial collection. I'm really into the Spezial stuff. I have a bunch of their shoes and clothes. Fantastic stuff. These are the Adidas Spezial Lowertree. Take a look. Oh yeah. Just great shoe. Great colors. I know the colors are not for everybody, but I like it, and I think it's just fantastic. Great shoe. Let's get the other one out too. Yeah. Really cool. Lowertree. And then I got a bunch of clothes too. I got a coupon code, so I was able to get hooked up on this stuff. Bag doesn't want to open, but there we go. We got the beanie hat. This is actually sold out on Adidas.com. It's the only thing out of the collection that's sold out so far. Everything else should be available. Really nice. You can see it goes with the colorway of the Lowertree. Nice match. Tag out of the way. Really cool. Then I got the long sleeve tee. Nice. Cool graphic on the back. Check that out. Really cool. And then I got the full tracksuit. Went in hard on this collection. I really liked it. There's the jacket. Again, that colorway matches. And the pants. Cuff track pant, navy. Really nice. Looking forward to wearing all this stuff. Cool. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.